very difficult fall in love with you. And I told him that, guy, the best thing is forget that woman. You get it? Forget that woman. Focus on yourself. Think about yourself. Always try to improve yourself. You get it? I mean, let her be in the circle. Focus on yourself. Do what you think it is good. Do what you think it is best for you. You get it? I mean, don't put any pressure on yourself. See, every woman wants, where success is. You get it? The more you become successful, the more things become better for you. The more they come, the more they all twin their attention to you. You get it? So if you see a very beautiful woman in one way or the other, she doesn't want to talk to you, or she thinks she's above you, or she feels you are too small for her to talk to you, Charlie, what you're supposed to do be say for forget her. Just focus on yourself. You get it? Just try level up. If better self, pass that level. You understand? Become the best in your craft. Become what everybody wants. You understand? The more you become that, the more you will see more women. The more you guys will grow, the more you will understand these things that they tell you. If you dey chase women, the more you dey run after the woman, the more the woman they go. You understand? But if you forget them, if you forget her, where you just focus on yourself. See, most women no be used to guys ignoring them. They no be used to guys showing them their power, their masculinity. You get it? Yes. So they feel that, yeah, they are on top until they meet somebody like you. Then you put her at her right level by ignoring her. You act like she does not even exist. You get it? The way guys see her and glorify her and all that, Charlie, forget her. Just focus on yourself. Just focus on your dreams. Become the best of the best. And the more you are becoming the best, and the more you are getting all those reward and everything, and everybody is tuning their attention to you, you see her also tuning her attention. That is the time you need to even ignore her the more. That is how you make a beautiful woman who everybody is running after. All the guys they chase. That is how you make her fall in love with you. You don't go chasing her, because if you want to buy her a G-Wagon, somebody has already bought her maybe 2 G-Wagons. You get it? I mean, beautiful ladies are always promised the world. Guys are willing to give them everything in this world. So it's up to you to stand her beauty. You get it? Don't let her beauty intimidate you. Always be yourself, and always try to be the best version of yourself. Then you see how many classic ladies that will come crawling into your life. Guys, without my talk, yeah, Bossy will be the name, aka the Ghetto Youth Motivator, aka the Girl Them as Slayer Man. Guys, Charlie, if today be the first time you watch my video, I beg you, subscribe to the channel, yeah, like the video, Charlie, share, make guys also make them hear the good news. Charlie, me I come for the guys, be the bab, yes, day in day out. I will give you guys updates on things, how to manage your life and become better and all that. What our fathers didn't teach us, or what our senior brothers did not teach us, is what I want to teach most of you guys. Yeah, so if you want to listen, if you want to, Charlie, just join the channel, guys.